Welcome to Health and Beauty Planet. Today I will be showing you how can you use the fruits and vegetables peels to get a beautiful skin. Fruits and vegetables are the good source of many vitamins, fibers and minerals. We often eat fruits or make vegetables with peel or without peeling and throw away their skins. This skin is not only to protect and cover the fruit or vegetable but also they are good as well as their pulp. So next time when you peel something, try considering these beauty treatment for naturally healthy skin, without any extra effort, but make sure that they are well washed. Number 1. Potato peels for puffy eyes. Place the leftover potato skin on each eye for around 15 minutes and then wash it off. It contains enzyme called catecholates and it also has vitamin C that reduce dark circles under your eyes. Number 2. Orange peels for refreshing face. Just rub orange or grapefruit peels on your face, avoiding your eyes, and leave it on for 10 minutes and then wash it off with warm water. Orange is rich in vitamin C and citric acid that helps to make new cells of skin. Number 3. Avocado peels for moisturize your face. After using avocado, just take the peel and rub it over your face, leave it on for 15 minutes and then rinse it well. Avocado peels contain natural fatty acids which makes your face soft and smooth. Number 4. Peach peels for glowing face. Gently rub peach peelings on your face in circular motion and then rinse it off. Peach peels are rich in vitamin A and potassium that make your skin supple. Number 5. Papaya peels to remove dead skin. Just rub the papaya skin on your face and after 10 minutes wash your face thoroughly. It will remove dead skin and refresh your face. Papaya peel has component called alpha hydroxy acids that lighten skin tone. Number 6. Eggplant peels for anti-aging. To use eggplant peeling, just rub it over your face and leave it on for 15 minutes and then rinse it off. Eggplant peels are rich in antioxidants, fiber, magnesium, and potassium that help in reducing fine lines. Number 7. Apple peels for even skin tone. Gently rub apple peel on your face and leave it on for 15 minutes and then wash your face. Apple peels are rich in vitamin C and the antioxidant, called polyphenols, which gives your skin even tone. Number 8. Banana peels for wrinkles. Rubbing banana peels on your skin can reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Just rub it for 5 minutes and wash your face after 15 minutes. It also helps to tighten the skin. Banana peels contain potassium and the antioxidant called lutein, to help reducing wrinkles. Please try these home remedies and suggested tricks. Please share your comments below and if you have question, please ask it in comment box. I will reply it at my best knowledge. Thanks for watching and please give thumbs up to this video. Please do not forget to subscribe this channel.